In this tutorial, you will learn how to download and install CapCut in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open your Microsoft Store. Search for CapCut. Click on CapCut. Press the Get button to start downloading CapCut. Wait for CapCut to be downloaded and installed. Now your CapCut app should be installed. Now open your CapCut app. Select Sign In. Now type in your CapCut login info. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.